Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start an instant meeting on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this camera icon that you can find down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you have the new meeting option at the top below the meet title. Click on new meeting on the left side and then click on start an instant meeting, which is the second option. The meeting. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.